Niagara Falls, just hearing the name conjures images of roaring water and breathtaking scenery. This natural wonder, straddling the border of the United States and Canada, is a sight that everyone should experience at least once. But Niagara Falls is more than just a pretty waterfall. It's a place with a rich history, thrilling attractions, and a vibrant culture. Whether you're an avid photographer, a history buff, or an adrenaline junkie, Niagara Falls has something for you. Get ready to be captivated by the sheer power and beauty of one of North America's most iconic destinations. This is a place where you can feel the spray of the falls on your face, hear the roar of the water in your ears, and sense the power of nature all around you. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure to Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls isn't just one waterfall but three: the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Horseshoe Falls, the largest and most impressive of the three, lies mostly on the Canadian side. It's a sight to behold, with millions of gallons of water cascading over the precipice every second. The mist rising from the falls creates a constant rainbow, adding to the magical atmosphere. Take a boat tour to the base of the falls for a truly awe-inspiring perspective. You'll feel the full force of nature as you're surrounded by the thundering water. Don't miss the opportunity to walk along the Niagara Parkway. This scenic road offers stunning views of all three falls. At night, the falls are illuminated, creating a mesmerizing display of light and water. The beauty of Niagara Falls is timeless, a testament to the power and wonder of the natural world. Beyond its natural beauty, Niagara Falls boasts a fascinating history. For centuries, the falls have been a source of wonder and inspiration. Native American tribes considered the falls sacred and told legends about their creation. In the 17th century, European explorers were awestruck by the falls' grandeur. Over the years, Niagara Falls has been the backdrop for daring stunts, romantic getaways, and even honeymoons. Learn about the falls' rich past at the Niagara Falls History Museum. Discover the stories of tightrope walkers, barrel riders, and the engineers who harness the falls' power. Today, Niagara Falls is a symbol of the enduring power of nature and the spirit of adventure that draws millions to its edge. The best time to visit Niagara Falls is during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall. The weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. Summer offers the warmest weather but also the most tourists. Winter transforms the falls into a magical winter wonderland with ice formations and frozen mist. Stay in a hotel with a view of the falls for an unforgettable experience. Book your accommodations well in advance, especially during peak season. Don't miss the journey behind the falls, where you can descend into tunnels to experience the falls from behind a curtain of water. For a bird's eye view, ride the Niagara Skywheel or soar above the falls on a helicopter tour. Niagara Falls is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left.